Hello fellow steamers, this is something unique. This is something my son built for me on his 3D printer. It is a plastic oscillator. It's got a couple of metal screws holding it together, otherwise everything's plastic in it. The cylinder, the bore, flywheel, everything. It's running on 18 or 17 pounds right now. And I think this is just really cool. It's got a little tolerance slot built into the shaft, and that's okay. I put 25 pounds to it, and she'll handle it. Let's go back and run her up. Here's 25, 26. I just think that's incredible. That was so fun. Plastic. Again, my son made this for me on his 3D printer. Alrighty, thanks for looking, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye now. St. Paul Steve, think about it.